About the effects on the channel strips of Mainstage. So the channel strips you can see are over here, and we have the audio effects. It just says FX, but they're effects over here on this little display. So we can turn on and off these effects. You can see they turn gray when they're off, and then they turn blue when they're on. And here we have our channel EQ, and we can go up and down with these and do whatever we want. Manipulate the equalizer. We have a compressor. You can adjust all of these options. We have delay, but we have a lot more effects. If we click this little button right here, we have channel EQ. That's used to equalize the sounds. We have silver reverb, which is a reverb compressor, and these are the ones that have been used recently. And then we have amps and pedals. These are mostly for electric guitars, bass guitars, things like that. I suppose you could put them on a piano or keyboard software instrument if you wanted. We have delay, and these can be used for either a software instrument or an audio instrument, and all different types of delay, distortion, overdrive down here, different kinds of distortion. Then we have our dynamics, and we have a de-esser, which is for vocals, and then a noise gate, a compressor, an equalizer, a bunch of different kinds of EQ. We have our filter, and these do various different things. Imaging, metering, modulation. You can see chorus, flanger, tremolo, multi effects. Can add those on if you wanted, and then you can adjust all sorts of different effects all in one area. Then a whole bunch of reverbs. Each of these reverbs has a whole bunch of different options within them for reverb, and then sub bass, exciter, and then some other things like gain, auto sampler, all that good stuff.